No. No means no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. 1,000 times no. 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 No.
The no button. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm really 8 years old. I'm 8 years old and it's the last week of summer. School starts on Tuesday. Oh no. Gotta play with my toys and do everything I can to forget that school's coming again. Oh. Well, we're going through all the toys. Oh. Mr. T, with the original batteries, I have never changed these batteries. Is there a date on this? There's got to be. Yeah, 2002. 2002. These batteries are almost, well, they're probably a quarter century old because they weren't brand new when they were put in here. So, Mr. T in your pocket, still going on the original batteries from 2002.
I pity the fool. Don't give me no back talk, sucker. Quit your jibber jabber. Don't make me mad. First name Mr. Middle name period. Last name T. Shut up, fool. Shut up, fool. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. I pity the. Don't give me no back. Don't give me no. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Don't give me no. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Shut up, fool. Quit your jibber. Don't give me no back talk, sucker. First name Mr. Middle name period. Last name T.
Mr. T, in your pocket. I wish they still made Mr. T cereal. That was really cool stuff. Pee-wee got that right. The Mr. T cereal. But yeah. Still original batteries. Try to get a battery today that'll last 25 years. Arg! Now we're having fun. We're having too much fun now.
In the lab. That's where I work. In the lab. Go berserk. In my lab. That's where I work.